before coming to call you. How is he? No. No. No! Mama, no! He spoke to me before I came out now. No. You wake up now. You said you wanted to go home. No. Let's go. Mama! Mama, let me take you home now. You say you want to go. Mama is gone now. No, Daddy.
Oba.
Come.
Oba is dead.
Okay? Come, let me take you
Oba.
home.
No. Oba is dead. What do I tell my grandfathers and my great-grandfathers? Oba is dead, my brother?
Ayaka. Crying will not bring him back. Go and call the elders.
You want me to stop? I cannot stop. My brother is dead.
Crying will not bring him back. Go and call the elders.
My brother is dead. No. I will not spare anybody involved in this. Not even myself.
Mama, please now. Mama, don't let me. No. Let's go. Come on, help me now.
What are you doing here? Stop.
Missed you, Mom. Missed you so much.
I missed you too. Sorry, I didn't see you coming. How are you doing?
Where's Mama?
She's in her room. No, sorry. She's at the front of the house. Yes, at the front of the house. Please, you have to go now. I don't want that old witch to see both of us. She will tell my husband Okudere. Please, just go.
I am not going anywhere. I'm here for you.
Why? Do you want to put me in trouble?
I love you.
Oh my God.
I love you.
I know, but please, just go now. Go.
I will only go on one condition if you promise me that you will come and see me tomorrow.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Just go. Wait.
I'll see if you are pushing.
Don't waste more.
Don't worry. She won't say anything. Before I go, touch me small.
Go.
Not that I don't have a chance to go out, but I prefer using that time for something useful in the house.
I understand, my dear. I understand. Gina.
Mama.
What are you doing standing there? Have you finished cooking?
No, Mama. The food will soon be ready.
Well, soon. Well, how soon is soon? Because if I know what I'm going to go, do quickly. I'm hungry.
Okay, Mama.
So, Mama, tell me more about it.
Now, the girl was just doing fine girl and gathering things. After going to see how she was disgraced out of that market. It's what disgrace.
But Mama, how can she go to the market without having money to pay for the things she bought?
Mind her. She was just doing fine girl and thought that they would say, fine girl, carry these goods and go. Or she? Don't mind her. She's just a foolish woman. Don't mind her. Oh. See, how's your mother? Your grandmother.
She's fine.
She's okay. She's okay. Fine girl. How is school?
Fine, Mama.
Nagokwa. Mom.
Sorrow something, yes, I'm suffering. Papa, where are you? Onye tara wono bio, okasa umose manya. Onye tara wono bimo, okasa umose manya.
I was rushing to your house. It seems you have not heard. Heard what? Ichoba is dead. Ichoba is dead? Yes. When? Hey, wait. Does his wife know? No. She is not aware. Okay, she's not aware. Yes. So, what is the next step? Let me go back. Now that I have seen you, let me go back and make arrangement with the youths so that they can now carry the corpse to his house. Although I was trying to go to the shrine, but let me go to his house and get the place prepared before you bring the corpse home. Okay. Eh?
I have been waiting for you.
What is it?
Yes, there's something very important I want to tell you. Please just hear me out first.
Here in the bush. Come to my house later.
No. There's no point going to your house. It's about Nnabike. Oluchi, believe me, there is nothing going on between us. I know you might think that we are sleeping together or having something in common, but believe me, nothing. Please, do not tell Mama about it. I'm done. That is why I stopped you.
Are you done talking?
Yes, I'm done.
I am not the type that talks anyhow.
Okay.
But let me advise you. Marriage is for better for worse, not for better for us. Use your tongue to count your teeth. Stop all these things you are doing. Pium. Posia. Kiss a mouth of anger. Posia. Colonode, shameless girl.
eat this cola to help your voice. Come. My brother can't die like that. They must tell me what killed my brother. He can't just die like that.
Just like that? Bang!
No. I won't bury him until I know what killed him. Aye.
Stop crying, no get you. Stop crying. Stop crying. Why?
This life will not go to get them. Mind what do you do? You marry fake mature. This life will not go to get them. Mind what do you do? You marry fake mature. Life will not go to get some more brother. Mind what do you do? You marry fake mature. This life will not go to get some more. Mind what do you do? You marry fake mature. No busy for the weekend. No hiding place for you. I'm supposed like a psycho. Let me see your got kwaja. Makana uwabu wachuwa. If we met a ribu, Obumadu, I can see the gapa gonu. Are you full? Greediness, local chicha, no danger. Are you full? Greediness, alua, no choka. Esino na nebi puna fuma, ekwesi we batasie. Esino na nebi puna fuma, achonye we batasie. Okwanwo, Ogini keike chichwa yasa. Idinatu, ibinuda, makanibu wanne kema. Idinatu, ibinuda, makanibu wanne kema. Life will not go to get them. Mind what do you do? You marry fake mature. This life will not go to get them.
I've been calling you since now. You refuse to answer me. Ole, I heard that you know about it and you refuse to tell me. Neka! The Radio Biafra. What is it again? Ogini. Only my friend. Don't pretend as if you don't know. Well, I'm talking about Nnabike and Gina's affair. I heard that you know about it and you kept it all to yourself. Ole, it's me, your friend. It's not fair.
Nneka. Whoever that sent you, go tell him that you did not see me. If you followed him, if you don't know, Mbavum, Nafia, Ufumpulaji Adrodia, Ufumpulaji Nnamdi Adrodia. Nneka, Gina and Nnabike, I know nothing about it. Maybe help Nnamdi about it. Nothing at all. So Biko, Biko, Hamaka, please free me. Asili bakute wine. Asili. Asili wine.
So, Oluchi is keeping secret from me. Me, her best friend. But that was what I heard now.
Papa, good morning.
Good morning. Where's your sister?
Ebube!
You are still sleeping by this time. Huh? When your mates are all in the farm, farming and bringing out produce.
We are still mourning your brother.
So you are mourning my brother more than me. He was my brother, not your brother. Look, both of you should go to the farm and bring some yam, huh? And cook it very well. I'll eat it when I come back. But by the way, where's Nnabike?
I don't know.
That one? We have not seen him for 5 days now.
You mean Nnabike has not been home for 5 days?
Yes, Papa.
All right. Anyway, both of you go to the farm and bring yam and cook very, very well. I'll eat when I come back. Eh? Let me go to Osondo's and then we come and see Oba's family. When I was telling you that your mother was responsible for your father's illness and death, you didn't believe me. Huh? You didn't believe me. Now she's at it again. Something is happening.
Uncle, you are telling me that my mother is responsible for my father's death?
Mom, what I'm trying to explain to you, that is it.
Onwuka. Onwuka. Uncle Onwuka, go.
Evil person, very dangerous, very wicked.
But where are you going with that cutlass?
Uncle, today will mark the end to all this. And she must tell me why she killed my father. Else, maybe you see. Okay, so Pamela.
Yes, kill her. Without asking for questions.
Come on.
Osu. Yes, kill her.
Hold him well! You better
Are you the only one at home?
No, Mama is sleeping.
Oh, I missed you so much.
Tell your husband to come and settle me. Tell him to come and settle me. What is this? Will I do favor to someone and kill myself?
Please calm down. My husband will do something. Just give him more time. You know things are hard these days.
Damn that!
What is this garbage doing in my house?
Tell your husband that I will come back. I will come back.
Shut up! Get out of your way, devil incarnate. Hey, shut up! What are you telling me? Shut up! Let me see this garbage in my house again. Mama, I said shut up, oh! Don't talk to me.
Mama, is here for a settlement now?
Shut up! I said shut up! Anofia, let him dare me.
Mama, I know things are
hard. I said shut up, oh! Devil.
My people, I greet you all.
We greet you. You are welcome.
We all agreed to meet here today after the burial of our in-law. I know it's so early because he was buried 5 days ago. We have a saying, Ndi Bai say, Indindo, the Christian Dingorangu, meaning those living will always speak for the dead. So, can we go ahead with our discussions?
Thank you.
Okay. Our in-law, Ichokeke from Arochukwu, you are welcome. I think first thing should come first. All of us, we know that Ayaka here is the only surviving brother of Chief Oba. So I think before we should go forward in our discussion, I suggest we should hear from him. Let us know his good plans, concerning this issue we are discussing before we continue. So that is just what I want us to do first.
All I want is for Nkechi here to swear to us that she has no hand in the killing of my brother. She has to swear, because it's only on that I will forget and forgive her.
It is said that you can't teach a child
visually everything. You can teach a child visually everything, but not how to cry. Nkechi here is our wife. We married her from you. We never remember you selling her to us. We all know how our brother Oba died. And we all have investigated. Ayaka, it is said that a good elder, an elder that stays at home and watch a she-goat deliver tied on a rope, is not a good elder. It looks like you are the one looking for trouble here. Yes! The ban is on your Do not touch a sleeping lion by its tail, whether dead or alive. Because if it awakes, it will be very, very dangerous.
I greet you all. You see? Ayaka. Only was saying when you are who is Yoku Mechanya Polish. He who sees the truth and closes his eyes has already lost his sight. That is the adage of our forefathers. Hey, but back to you, Ayaka. I know it is painful to lose a brother, a dear one for that matter. Not to talk of losing a whole family. But the fact remains that if Nkechi must swear, you also must swear. Because there's an allegation against you.
How can you say a thing like that?
I have said it.
How can you say a thing like that? Nkechi is the one that has to swear, not me.
Ayaka, I stand to correct this impression. Let me tell you, your brother's wife said we should ask you, because you are the one that took your brother to where he died.
Keep quiet, Osondo.
Osondo, keep quiet.
Osondo,
be careful. Watch your mouth.
It is all right.
Watch your tongue, Osondo.
Is that so? I now know who and who is against my family. So you are judging this case now because it involves me. Let me tell you that I am the only surviving son of the Ezike family.
Of course.
And I should be the one to decide what happens in the family. If Nkechi here does not swear, then she has to pack her bag and baggage and leave this compound, and must not come back until her son says otherwise.
Ayaka! Ah! Ayaka, let me laugh. Thank God that you, Ayaka, you know, she has a son. And in a case like this, it is only a son that determines what happens. Ekene! Ekene! Come. Ekene! Come here. Uncle. Ekene, stand here. I want you to tell us if actually you want your mother to leave your father's house, or she should stay. Tell us.
Ekene, speak up.
Ekene,
Tell us your mind. My friend, keep quiet, Osondo. Osondo, keep quiet.
Don't mind their faces. Hey, so it's okay. Let him say something.
She has to leave. She has to leave until I call her back.
Ekene!
What did you just say, Ekene? Ekene? That mother should go?
Yes.
Ekene, is something wrong with you?
Ekene, what do you eat? I ate food.
Ekene?
Onanuguya kita! Onanuguya.
Ayaka.
Ekene has said it all.
Oh, they have bewitched you with this type of beer.
He knows this woman is evil. So, she must leave this compound today.
Uncle, saying that she will leave today is an understatement. She has to leave now.
Ekene!
Stop shouting my name.
Ekene, it's your mother!
got my mother.
Ekene.
Let us go.
Mommy,
Let's go.
no.
Can you imagine? Surely, I told you that this is not ordinary. He didn't die. What's wrong with this boy?
Nobody, where are you? Where is my husband?
Something must be wrong somewhere. Something must be wrong. We'll find a solution to this problem.
Nnakwe, can't you say something?
What do you want me to say again? What?
Who is doing this to me? Who is doing this to me? Please, mommy, don't do this. Okay, mama. Oh, you never been far. Who is doing this to me? Okay, please, I beg. We are here for you. We are here for you. Natachi. Mommy. Ogachi. Mommy. I am finished. No, you're not finished. I am finished. No, you're not finished. You can never be finished. Hey, Wabo! Wabo! Hey, Natachi. Ogachi. I am finished.
Mommy,
It's okay.
Who is doing this
This
to
is not
me?
the end of life.
Oh, you can measure.
Don't worry.
Who have I offended?
We shall solve the problem.
Uncle, respect yourself, respect yourself,
Back and go!
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you!
Shame on you too! Back and go!
Come on, inherit the word.
Whoa!
Come on, okay.
God punish you there. You start people. Oh, don't worry. I'll be back for you. You will see. Shame on you. You will see. Shame on you. Shame on you. You people are breaking my heart.
Bye, go.
You are breaking my heart. Shame on you, Ekene. Shame on you. Your mother. Your mother. Ekene, shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you too. Back and go.
Come on, inherit the word.
Whoa.
Come on, inherit it.
Okay.
You killed him so that you can inherit everything.
Imagine. Why not feel alive? Other not possible. My boy.
done it.
Done it. Gone. Gone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Action.
Let us go and celebrate.
Let me lock my door. If you don't son of Chifuba. What Chifuba? Oh, Muma, the only son of my father.
Eat, my son, eat. Eat, my son, eat. Huh? You have made me very proud. Eat.
And I will continue making you proud, Uncle.
Bam.
Is it those two girls? If they misbehave like my mother, no, she's not even my mother. If they misbehave like that woman, they will leave the way she left.
Yes, yes. Let them leave. The bigger one, eat. They will bring more, bring more, bring more. More has come. Be eating. Be eating. Eat. Eriobu.
You see what I told you? You see it? In our fear.
So, Papa has succeeded in driving out Ekene's mother just because of natural hatred. Let's see where all this will land him.
This Ekene is a fool. Very big fool.
Anompama.
In front of God, he needs son.
Uncle, this food is very sweet though.
Yes.
You don't want to join me, Uncle? Small now.
Sweetheart. Wait. You are drunk.
You're drunk. I'm not
No.
drunk.
See?
I'm not drunk.
I'm good to go. Baby, this is where I will draw the curtain for today. We'll continue tomorrow.
No problem. But don't forget you're still owing me.
Oh,
There's a price you need to pay.
that's true. You know I will always do anything for you.
Sorry.
I give you something.
Wow.
I feel good.
Wow. Money's good. You see?
Yes.
I am all yours. As long as you keep giving me this, do with me whatever you wish to.
Oh, I like the sound of that. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Only.
Turn around. Oh, I will die here.
Good job. I'm tired, let me go and sleep.
Just go, Hey, good night.
I love you.
Love you more. Hey. You have bright future there. Uku. Uku atoka. Uku yo.
Bianna, is it a break? I want to get generated daily.
Oh, you're asking me. Who will I ask? No, in a job, money asking for. Money asking for. Okay.
Oh, she make me one minute.
30 million from.
Oh, Gina, come. Where are you coming from this midnight?
Old man and old woman. What are you two still doing outside? This time of the night, eh? You've not gone to bed. You're waiting for Gina. I'm back.
Come. Is that the answer to the question my wife asked you? Did you hear her? Where are you coming from?
Okay, Papa. I went out with my friends to catch some fun.
Hey, fun?
Catch Unwuka with my phone.
Haven't you heard? Eh? All work and no play makes Gina a dog girl.
Gina. So, in your family, married women don't come to their house. In a catch a phone. Oh, so this is what you have been doing in city. Eh? In the city. Mama. Catching phone and coming home very late at night.
Oh, Mama. So because I am married to your son, eh? I should not live my life again, eh? Please, let me enjoy myself, eh? Okay, sorry. Let me tell you, I do not have your time. You see all these questions and answers, I don't have that time. As you can see, eh, I am very tired. Please, let me return to my bed, eh?
Here I have seen beauty without pride.
Which beauty?
Shape without conscience. I wish Okpara was here to see things for himself. Because I foresaw this. I foresaw it and I said it. You said no.
No. I didn't say leave her. There was no time I supported leave her. I just said that she shouldn't be following the husband up and down the place.
That's what I said. How could he leave this hips, this roundabout? Here,
what about him?
How could he leave this hips, this roundabout here in the village and go to the city?
Oh,
you have seen it here.
Oh, nyerere.
If we go to Konenya, if we go to Konenya, if we go.
Hey, I can't form it.
This life will not go to get them. Mind what do you do? You marry forget me. This life will not go to get them. Mind what do you do? You marry forget me.
What happened to him?
I don't know. Maybe he's drunk as usual.
Papa!
Hey!
Papa! Papa! Papa, come and see your useless son. Come and see your stupid son, Papa.
Is that not Dikeh?
He's the one now.
Where's the car?
That's true.
Huh? Dikeh, where's the car?
Dikeh, where is the car now? Where is the car?
Take him to the bathroom. Pour water on him. Let him wake up. Huh? Wake him up and I want to know where the car is.
Papa,
he must explain where the car. Carry him and.
Papa, how can we carry this Papa mother?
Help them to carry.
Papa.
Help them.
Get up! Get up! Get up now!
Mama said my own one boss.
Carry him from there. Carry him.
Take him to the bathroom and pour water on him.
Papa won't go.
Put your hand, let's go. Carry him to the bathroom.
Even the shoe. Papa, I'm tired though.
Hey.
Give me rest.
Carry him.
Yeah. Stand up. Stand up now.
Oh.
Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up. I said stand up. Get up.
Oh yeah. Let's go to the bathroom.
Take him to the bathroom.
Come now so that you can take your bath.
Okay.
Let's go.
Is it morning already?
No, it is midnight. Let us go so that you take your bath.
Huh? No. Let's stay this way.
No. Look at the bathroom there. Let's take this
bathroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why would you? No. You have to remove your trouser here.
You say let's go to the bathroom.
These people will see something. Come, let's go. Don't remove your boxers here.
Well, where's my car?
Car what?
Yes, my car. Where is it?
Oh, that's what. That car. Papa, the car developed faults, so I gave the car out.
You gave it out? To whom? Let me go and get it.
Papa, wait. It's like you don't understand. The truth of the matter is that I sold the car.
Hey! You did what? You sold the car. You sold the car without my consent.
Papa. You see, that car is old. We will buy another new one. Besides, it's fairly used.
Look at your mouth. Talking we buy another one. They say we buy. Which money? Which money? I sold the land to buy that car, and you are standing here saying we buy another one.
Papa, why do you always using that line? You. The land we are talking about is it not our land? It's our land. Saying we sold a land, it's understandable, not you. Papa.
So it's because you brought the buyer, and so that makes you stand here and you have mouth to say, look, mind yourself.
Oh, Papa, but why are we still discussing this thing? Why are we discussing this thing? After all, the land you sold is my father's land. Where is your own father's land? You
what? What are you say about? You stand there and don't break your head. Nonsense. Now what are you? Hi. I'm Nnochiri. Hi. So both of you are crying, eh? Cry. Cry and cry your eyes out. Cry. Your mother is not coming back again. Nobody battles with Ayaka and lives to tell the story. Maybe she did not tell you that I, Ayaka, was the first person to ask her hand in marriage. But she went ahead and married my junior brother, Oba, because he had the money. I did not have money. But now Oba is dead. He is dead. Onwuka. That should be a lesson for all you young girls. Now, I want both of you to go to my farm and join Ebube and Isioma. If you want to eat, you hear me? If you want to, if you like, cry from now till tomorrow. Your mother will never come back. Onanugo, she will never come back. Ndoni o, Ndoni o, Ndoni o.
Papa, where are you? Onye tara bono bio, okasa wose maya. Onye tara bono bio, okasa wose maya. Chewere vive dinarimo, gini kai mere. Chewere vive dinaranya, gini kai mere. Ia jobi neme, ia kwenso na pata. Ia jobi neme, ia kwenso na pata. Ezinu na penudo, anyeke wago. Ezinu na penudo, ayasasigo. Papa, where are you? Okwi mere ya nikamike, okwi mere ya nikaririmu. Ngejeza kampesara chimu, sonya kapugugwa.
Ogechi, why are you crying? Why? I know that you are not used to this kind of life, but we have to adjust. This is where our fate has found us, so we have to. Please, stop crying. If you continue to cry like this, then what do you want me to do? Please.
Daddy, Mo. I want to die. I want to die.
You want to die? How can you say that? How can you say that you want to die? Ogechi, crying will not solve anything. We know how both of you feel. But I want to tell you that we are not in support of our father.
Ogechi, what my sister said is the truth. But we have to come together, else we'll lose each other. Yes.
Ogechi, Natashi, we are not in support of anything our father is doing to you people, because we are one family.
Papa, I want to talk to you, Papa.
About what?
See, Papa, I am sorry I sold the car. But Papa, if I tell you what I used that money for, you will no longer be angry with me.
What did you use the money for?
You remember what I told you before? I used the money on her now.
Who is the her?
Okudri's wife now, that one with big waist.
You mean the wife he accused you of is now your own?
Yes, Papa. You see, the truth of the matter is that, Papa, she's even the one running after me now.
You are really my blood. But how come you didn't tell me all this while?
Papa, I was trying to do everything possible to get her. And I was being scared also that you might not support me now and you will kick against it.
Oh no, you know we are in this together. Huh? Those people who want to see us cry, we will make them cry blood first.
You say?
You should have told me. Anyway, now what you must do, you must make sure you destroy that marriage.
Papa.
Destroy that marriage as we planned.
Papa, consider it done. Consider it done.
Bam. Hey, that's my son, Nnabike.
Mpa,
your father is your strength. You can do anything you want. I am behind you.
Papa, let me go inside and do something because there is trouble in middle belt.
What's up? What's up?
What make you carry this guy come here?
Now you don't enjoy the money now. You don't spend the money finish where you sell for the land. Now everything don't finish now. The motor where the motor dey. You don't sell them. Now we don't do the same level now.
Obika, you and Dan should stop this thing. What's
up?
You guys should stop this thing now. The fact that he made a mistake does not mean he's our enemy. We need each other to survive in this village.
Bam! I'm not listening far because. Guy, forget all this your long talk. Where are all those guests where they flex around the village with? Where are they now? They don't dump you now. Come find homies. Come back.
Dan, what's up now? What is all this? Is it because I don't have money again? That's why both of you are insulting me. But let me give you one good news. Very soon, two of you will now go jealous for this town. Will now go jealous for this village. Waiting.
I get them before, no be property. Please, I tell you, no could not accept this guy. This guy is not a good friend at all.
I tell you.
A friend where after making money, don't be own friends. It's not a good friend now. My guy, please, I don't want this guy here, I beg. Make you just find a way, please. I tell God, beg you.
Zubi they support her now because they flex the money together now. Don't chop the money, finish the money.
Now so now?
They don't enjoy the money.
Now you make them now?
Don't forget us.
I did not say that. I did not say that. You guys should remember that he did not spend the whole money alone. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
We are friends.
We are still friends, so. We are still friends. Nah, shake them.
Man, may be a mistake like this. You people just carry it out.
We will make it again. Shake them.
Shake you, them.
Yes.
Okay,
That's right.
How did you come about the yam? I know that my father did not give you any yam to go home with, but Ebube said I should give you this.
Oh, one more.
Hide it away from Ekene. You know, if you get to know about this, you will tell my father.
No, I won't tell him. You're a sister indeed. You're a true sister. I love you. Thank you.
Don't worry. Good night, eh?
Isioma, call the taxi and go get it for me.
Yes, Papa.
Call the taxi and go get it for me. Good morning, my boy. How was the night?
Uncle, what about the money you promised to give me this morning?
Don't worry. I'll give you later in the day, huh?
Uncle, you sent for us.
Yes, come both of you. Today is Nkwo market day. You will carry this yam to the market. Sell these small ones. No, these big ones, you sell them 300 naira each. Then these small ones, you sell them 200 naira each. Look, I don't want to hear any story. You are coming back with the money. Am I clear?
Take which yam to the market and sell. What are you talking about? I don't understand you. You know we have not done this before. Besides, we are graduates for crying out loud. So you want to reduce us to market sellers? Is that what you want to do? My sister and I should take yams to go and sell for you. I will not do that. I just woke up. I have not even brushed my teeth. We haven't had our bath. You want us to go and sell something for you in the market? I can never do that. In fact, we cannot do that. We are not your slaves.
Hey!
Natachi, I'm not selling anything. No, I'm not selling anything. No.
You will carry this yam to the market now. And you will go like this, whether I like it or not.
I will not do that. We won't do that. We are not your slaves.
I insist you go. You will come and carry this thing up. Or do you want me to force it on your head?
Listen, even if I have to do it, I need to go inside the house. We need to go and change. We can't go with our night dress.
I force it on your head. Go and carry this. There are 2 pants there.
Leave me alone.
Nonsense. Carry the yams. And let me not hear this story. Where are you going? Where are you going?
She will carry it now. Must I carry it?
You are going and carry your own. There are 2 pants there. Quick. Nonsense. And a graduate. Now this is Kadembeku. What's this? Hey, where do you think you are going?
I want to follow them to the market.
Who sent you? Will you come back here now? They can get lost if they don't know the road to the Nkwo market. Wonderful.
Respect yourself. Hey, Uncle, wait. Uncle, it baffles me that now somebody like Natachi does not know the road to the market.
Don't mind that fool.
Eh?
Don't mind that fool.
A big girl like her.
If they like, let them get lost there.
Oh, Natachi, make sure you don't come back to this house without yam.
Ezinụlọ bi n'udo anyị ekewago. Ezinụlọ bi n'udo anyị asasigo. Sorrow something, pain and suffering.
Why Nnakwe is not here? I'm surprised. I don't know why.
I don't know what is wrong with you. Is Nnakwe our Igwe? Whether he is here or not, I believe the meeting can go on. But have I spoken your mind?
Osondo, be careful. You know you are not part of this family. Be careful.
Mazukon or whatever they call you. You have no right whatsoever to tell your fellow man how to rule his family. It is not done in this village, so you better mind your business.
Osondo take you a very good time. What are you saying? Ayaka has no right to decide in this issue. Uba still has a son, and we would like to hear from him.
A son indeed.
Yes, Osondo. Yes, Osondo. We want to hear from Oba's son.
I think it's wise we call Ekene to be here. We need his presence here.
Yes, call him.
Ekene wa Chief Uba.
Ekene.
Please hurry up. Stand here. Now that Ekene is here, I think it's wise we hear from the horse's mouth. Ekene, tell us the truth. Nothing but the truth. Are you aware that your uncle here wants to sell one of your father's land?
Speak, Ekene, speak!
No. Calm down. He will talk. Allow him to. Don't force him to talk. He will talk. Ekene.
Yes. He told me about the land and I accepted. So, sell the land.
Ekene?
Ekene.
What else do you want to hear?
Nothing. As far as I am concerned, this meeting is what?
Over.
Osondo, let's go and have a drink.
Thank you, Nai. You know, in this life, I think this will
This is not ordinary. Something is wrong somewhere.
My brother, what is happening here is beyond human eyes.
Look, we have to inform Nnakwe of what happened.
Ekene. Daddy, where are you? Daddy, where are you? Oh!
So Nnochiri thinks she can report me to the elders just because I never cared to open her own chapter. We shall see.
Who has this?
Who is the owner of this car?
Good to see you, Mama. It's my car.
Okay, come on. You see, I knew that.
Hey!
I knew you were going to bounce back.
It's the Lord's story.
Hey!
Mama. Where is my wife?
Wife?
Let's go.
Is it Donatus? Leave me alone. Or Kezaya?
I'm talking about Gina, my wife. Where is my wife?
Hey!
Wait a minute.
Hey!
Talk to me, Papa.
You're asking, I said, is it Nyerere? Called Donatus? Called Kezaya? Which of the wives? Leave me alone, oh nine. Leave me.
Let's talk. Let's go inside.
Hey!
Let me wipe this car because come on, girl disappear. Fiam. What's it? Fiam. What is you? It's my something.
Hey!
Jehovah mego ngo benye zagam. Na kwa na kage.
Hey! Hey! Akwade kenese. Onye kampo. Hey! Ekele opa. Choi. Akome.
So this is who you are. This is who you are. A prostitute. A shower. Eh?
If this is a joke, you better stop it. It's me, your wife, Gina.
Who is that?
It's me, Gina. Your one and only sweetheart.
I don't want to create a scene here. Go in right there, get your bags and leave this compound immediately. If I see you anywhere near this compound, I will skin you alive.
Come on, Okpara. It's me, oh. Your one and only sweetheart. Eh? Papa.
Didn't you hear him? Did
you hear him?
Papa,
Papa, you can't go into this house.
Mama, why are you people doing this to me now?
Get out of my compound, can you? I just mean look.
Please, Okpara. It's not what you think. Believe me, I'm innocent. Please, my love. I'm innocent. You just want to tear us apart.
Who? Tear you apart?
Please, don't.
I said Ashawo, Nyerere, Donatus.
Mama, I'm innocent.
Ashawo, Nyerere, Donatus.
Why do you hate me this? Why do you hate me?
Sophia, if I hate you, you're not worthy of hate, sir.
Mama, it's so good to open us.
Okay. Innocentina. Innocentina. Donatus. Kezaya.
Hey, Mama.
Nyerere.
Jesus.
Kezaya.
Shut up!
I said, leave this one. Sheba, get out of this one. Get out of this one. Get out of this one. You are not the sinner I used to know. Now it's Yerere, leave my compound.
Donatus, Nyerere, Sofugia.
Nonsense. Let me see you anywhere in this compound. Where is that thing? I will take this to their people.
Which their people?
They must hear.
They don't deserve anything because
let's go inside. Nonsense. Ashawo. Let me see you near this compound again.
Try that now, Bob. Huh? Biana. You go to the farm and help them to carry the cassava home.
Go to the farm?
Yes.
This afternoon?
It's your man, Ebube, they are already there. Help them to carry the cassava home. All right? You, Ogechi, go to the market and buy me KP. The original one. Buy the original one. Make all the cost.
Sorrow something, face and suffering. Papa, where are you? Onye tara wono bio, okasa umose manya. Onye tara wono bimo, okasa umose manya. Chiwere fife jinari mo gini. Where are you? Onye tara wono bio, okasa umose manya. Onye tara wono bimo, okasa umose manya. Chiwere fife jinari mo gini kai mere. Chiwere fife jinara niya gini kai mere. Iya jobi neme, iya kwenso na pata. Iya jobi neme, iya kwenso na pata. Ezinụlọ something, face and suffering. Papa, where are you? Okwi mere ya n'ikabike, okwi mere ya n'ikaririmu. Ngejeza ka mkpesara chimu, sonya ga-akwụgo ụgwọ. Ajọ mmadụ ọkwa ekwensu ji gị na-alụ ọlụ. Onye ajọ mmadụ ọkwa ekwensu akpọchiela obi gị. Iwe woyi na ị ga-asọsị ezinụlọ anyị, gịnị ka ị mere gị? Iwe ọlụ iyi na ị ga-eme
Natashi.
What happened to you? Why are you crying? What happened to you? I was raped on my way to the farm.
Hey! Natashi, who sent you to the farm?
Your father. Your father said I should go and help you two in the farm.
Hey! No, now. He shouldn't have sent you where he knew we only went to get firewood. Isioma, help Natasha. Let me go and confront father. Come and help me first. Come and help me carry this firewood. Come and help me.
So, my son, you have to be very, very careful.
Okay, Papa.
You hear me?
Papa, I've heard you. I'll try my best to be very careful.
Papa, how could you? How could you send her alone to the farm when you know it's not safe? Eh? What if they killed her in the process?
Shut your mouth or that thing you call mouth before I shut it for you. Is she a child? Huh? Wonderful. Is this the first time she's going to the farm?
Papa, this is not fair. Papa, it's not fair. They are your children and stop treating them like slaves. Papa, this is not right, Papa. It's not right.
Oh, so you are now warning me. You are now warning me as my father or as what? Huh? I'm asking you. Look, Ebube, this house will no longer contain you and me. It's better you go and meet that your prostitute cousin, or you find your way and stay on your own. Do you hear me?
Bam.
Papa, this is the highest you can do. I'm sick and tired of your nonsense.
Yeah.
Papa!
Sit down there. Nonsense.
Papa, you shouldn't have wasted that.
Shut up.
I've been here begging you to do this small man.
Coming to warn me in my own house. Yeah.
Papa, let me help you and bring it.
Shut up.
Yeah. You see what you cost now? This thing I've been longing to take small.
Come in, the door is open. Good day.
Someone asked me to give you this later.
Okay, thank you.
Dear Gina, it is very stupid of you to believe that I was going to marry you. I only used you to get back at Okudiri and his family for insulting my family. Do not think you will see me again. As you read this letter, bear it in your mind that you are owing this hotel for 2 days. Pay the money to the manager and find your way. I really enjoyed you. Remain blessed, Dikeh.
Oh my God. What have I done to myself? I allowed myself to be fooled by Dikeh. How did it happen? No. I can't believe this. God, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Dikeh.
Mind, what do you do? You marry fake mechi. This life on I gotta get them up. Mind, what do you do? You marry fake mechi. This life on I gotta get them up, brother. Mind, what do you do? You marry fake mechi. This life on I gotta get them up. Mind, what do you do? You marry fake mechi. No busy for the weekend. No hiding place for you.
Oh, what have I done? I was used. God, please forgive me. Forgive me.
Are you good? Greediness, you got your no danger. Are you good? Greediness, alone, no joker.
My father cannot do anything to separate me from you girls. It's not possible now. He knows that one. Huh? I don't like the way he's treating you girls. Huh? Oh. Natasha, you're not talking. Are you okay?
Natachi.
Hey, Natasha, what is the problem? How are you feeling? Please get her water to drink. Get her water, please.
Very feverish.
Sorry. Hey.
Oh.
Ndo, Biko. Ndo. Sit down. Hey. Ndo. Get her the water now. Get her water. Hey, Ndo. Hey.
Natachi. What is happening?
Use this. Wash your face. Wash your face. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Ndo. Hey, come on, sit down. Hey. Hey. It's okay, it's okay. Hey. Let it not be what I'm thinking, you know. Okay. Nothing, sorry. Don't name. I'm not thinking anything, Biko. Oh?
Yeah.
Don't know.
Natachi, stop crying now. What's making you cry now? Eh?
Natachi, it's okay now. It's okay. Help yourself. Stop crying. If you cry like this, you won't get better. Please.
It's normal. Come, but they're going to kill you all.
Not now. I'll eat later.
Okay.
You better go inside and lie down.
Papa Anteo. Mama.
Welcome.
Let me go and keep the fire when we back here.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome.
Whose daughter is that?
Let Mazi Okonkwo's daughter.
She's just like her mother.
Yes, so you
Her late mother was Oroma.
Yes, so you
yeah.
I'm eyeing her for our son. You look on the water, very looking so.
No, mama.
And Usalanya, very calm child. Not so like this one.
Mama.
And,
I want to go home to cook food for my grandma.
okay, send me well to your grandmother.
Bye bye.
Very fine girl. Let me go and get your food.
I don't know. I'm quite happy. I will eat later. Oh, you believe you got what's in the hour?
In that case, can I also know now, what talk about now?
Huh? My conscience has been disturbing me since we did that. Seriously, what is your problem? Huh? What is your problem? Why would your conscience be disturbing you? Wasn't I the one who did the raping thing? Stop disturbing yourself. What has you come drinking Panadol? You drinking Panadol over my headache. Guy, this is not disturbing me. In fact, why I came here, that I want to tell you, I want to go and confess to her. Don't you know the words have ears? This is not something we are supposed to be discussing here. I will come and see you. Guy, help me here now. I am the one being disturbed here. Wasn't I the one who raped her? In fact, I want to go. You see what? Relax, eh? You know what? Why don't you go home? Go home, relax, joy, take it easy. What if you're not wicked, sweet? You rest. I'll come and see you. Rest.
Baba. My boys.
Baba.
Come and drink this palm wine.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes.
Oh, Papa, you mean this one is overnight?
Akochie. Hi, super.
Papa, let me start. Papa. It's okay. You know, there is nothing in middle belt. If I take too much of it, we go see where they. Oh, yeah.
Hey, move fair.
Guy, can I make that?
No, come taste. Come and taste.
If not that there is nothing in middle belt, I would have tell you to go. Papa,
white.
This is the best.
Yes.
Okay. But Papa, it's okay now. This.
Come, taste.
Okay. You see, Papa, this one is for me.
Come. Yes. Let me drink too. Taste it here.
My father. This is the best palm wine you can get so far. I'll calculate. I'm just giving small. The rest is for me after putting something here.
Yes.
Papa, you don't want to drink much?
No, I don't want to drink much.
Best of it.
Real overnight.
Okay,
you like it, eh?
I can't see me.
Papa. You like it, eh? For strong men.
But thank you.
You like it, eh?
You don't want to drink more? No, it's nice. Papa? No problem. Now we'll see much later. Okay. Just as we discussed.
Very dangerous, very wicked. Hey, wicked person.
I will see how you reveal our secrets.
Hello, Ayaka. I have a question for you, dear. Ika Buzia Boye Bura Munsu. Hello, Ayaka. I want to get an answer. Ika Buzia Boye Bura Munsu. Imakwa. Onye buru nwanne ya no buru kwa odogwu. This na wicked mind. This na wicked act. Anyaka biko nuo welo ya wayo. Anyaka nwanne nke mute kamisi yo. Gofelo la lo sola yini yo. Gofelo la lo sola yini yo. Ayaka Apoponya ja Ayaka Apoponya ja Akwam nebere Ayaka Ayaka Akwam mamu nebere Ayaka Apoponya ja Esi wanne mugeni kai merekia Ayaka.
Hey, it's small busy. I am not hungry, but I'm not hungry.
Natachi, you cannot continue like this.
Did you hear your sister? Please help us and help yourself. I'm not hungry.
Natachi, Papa is no more. Mama is not around. Ekene is not even anywhere to be found. Do you want to kill me? Do you?
But I am not hungry. I don't want to eat. Will you force me to eat? I'm so hungry. Natashi. Oh, Natashi, please. You need this food. If I don't want to eat. You have not tasted anything for days now, Natashi. Hey, what do you want me to do? I'm tired, Natashi. What do you want me to do?
Ebube, better force her to eat that food though. Please.
You cannot force me to eat. I'm not a child.
So Dan has gone and left us for months now.
Now so...
Vanity upon vanity, all is vanity.
Hey, listen guys, listen. Nah, that's why the living must continue to struggle. Zubi, what's up about the G you told me about? What did happen? That's what I want to hear.
It's before the weekend.
Hey, what more? Give him a mess. That's what I want to hear.
But he was one of us.
Thank God you used the word was. Now it's present and you and I here, we are present. Madam, because with us, my head is boiled.
Natachi, you can't continue like this. You've been like this since morning. Everybody is not happy with you. Even Ebube. Ebube is not happy with you. Help yourself now. Help me, your sister.
You don't know how terrible I feel inside of me, Ogechi. Ogechi, look at me. Unwanted pregnancy. I don't even know who got me pregnant. I just want to die. Okay, I want to die.
God forbid, you cannot die.
Natachi, you will not die.
Oh.
Huh? I understand how you feel. But you have to eat something.
Sioma, if you truly understand how I feel, you will not talk about food. Food is the last thing on my mind, oh. Food is the last thing on my mind.
Natachi, I'm not ready to lose anybody. I'm not ready.
Baby! Baby! Oh! Baby! The baby! I'll call him.
What is still holding Papa now?
I don't know. He said he was going to see his friend. I don't know. Your father doesn't usually stay out very late. He went to see his friend now. I don't know. That's why I'm sitting here now waiting for him.
That means I won't see him this night.
You'll see him tomorrow morning now.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's 50,000 naira. Give Papa 10,000 naira and keep 40,000 naira for yourself and for the upkeep of this family as the mother of the house. To sort out logistics.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you, Mom.
It's okay.
I'll do that, I'll do that.
It's about you. Mama, I need to go and rest my head because I will leave very early.
Okay, my dear. You see your father tomorrow morning.
Okay, tell him I will see him in the morning.
Because the one more shaver.
Alright. Good night, sir.
Oh, no.
Tell Papa I will see him in the morning.
Okay.
Well,
Papa. Well, I'm a Zimukeji team. What do you make?
Oh! Hey! I mean, it's the best.
I used to take you to see to you.
Wait, come. Where have you been since morning? Where did you go since morning?
Answer, Papa, no.
I went to the hospital to see Natachi.
Huh? Who permitted you?
No, Papa, it's not even the permission I'm talking about. Is Natachi dead? Onwuka. Answer him, no.
Didn't you hear him? Is she dead?
No, Papa, but the baby died.
She should have been dead now. Instead of the innocent baby.
This is a strong lesson for anybody who stands in my way.
Wham! He said...
Come on, Zuzu, by any move.
Natachi. So, Natachi don't want to die, okay? Yeah. Meanwhile, progress. Progress all the way. Progress. Just this one. Finish this cup. You can go inside. No, now. Shh. This one is for the elders. You go inside. Elders again. Me too. You are the first son. I'm the first son too. No, you are the first last born. First born. Yes.
Look at these boys.
He's cheating you.
Yeah, 20,000. Yeah? I want you to buy, all these fine dress other girls wear. Oh, buy powder for yourself, buy good cream for your skin, and soap. And be looking fine for me.
Thank you, Mama. But Mama, am I not okay like this?
No, you're fine. No, I didn't say you're not fine. But I want you to be better than all these girls in this village. Oh, so that you do your body will be shining. For my son. So that when he sees you, he'll be admiring you. I've already told him about you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank God.
So, Mama, I'll rush him now so that I'll come back in the evening and cook food for you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
By then I finish with a man and woman and ma. Bronkano and a body now, Nate Nagali Nezus. Eh? Hey, Malisanwa. Nenian, if lazy, none know me a polo. Give you only a road to Malicham. Mammy found out that I was not dinner on it dinner one night. Eh?
That palm tree, to that extreme, okay, it's 300 by 400. The land is genuine.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure.
I'm going to come to Softel to verify the measurement.
No problem, Chief. You can come with anybody.
All right. What of the other one?
That one, no, we sold that one to Mazi, Amadi's son. Okay. He want to build a pure water factory.
Okay.
You want to build pure water factory.
Which means this area will develop.
In no due time, this place will be development. If you look that extreme, you see that place is developing and it's coming down.
Oh, Alan, let's go and see your father immediately. 3 years I need to make payment today.
Oh, you mean you want to pay?
Yes, I have the money. Let's go. Go to the side.
But Chief, yes? Don't be angry. You see, it's nice I see this money now, so that by the time we go and meet my father, there won't be any mistake. You know, my father is always.
What are you trying to say? That I'm not serious or what?
No, Chief, you can't be joking now.
Okay, let's see now. Oh, yeah,
you know, it's just for.
Come on. Put it down. My money. Get up. My money. Our money. No. Papa, I will give you here. Yes, money. Enter the motor. This money, hey, this money.
So this type of thing can happen in this small village, eh?
The issue here is that we managed to escape. They almost killed us.
Not when Ayaka Chibuzor, not when I am still alive in this village.
Chief Ayaka, don't worry yourself. I will go home now and come back. I still want to buy that land. Yes.
To still buy that land?
3 million naira. It's just a chicken change to me. I will go now and bring another money to pay for that land. I want to build a big factory on that land. So let's go.
Okay. Let me see him up.
So our land is this bad.
So they want to spoil my business right before my eyes.
They cannot do that. The chief said 3 million naira. You are now a millionaire. Tiwago. Hey. You body girl. You got my own.
Daddy, a lot has happened. Daddy, your children are suffering. They have chased mommy away. They have chased her away. Uncle has separated Okene from us. My brother doesn't talk to me anymore. Daddy, Ogechi and I are suffering. Daddy, we can barely feed. We are suffering. Daddy, why did you have to leave us? Why did you have to leave us? Why did you have to go away from us, Daddy? You left us to suffer, Daddy. Daddy, please come to us.
Come to us, Daddy, I beg you. That I will kill myself and join you. I can't even take care of my sister. Daddy, please come to us. I will join you. Daddy, I will join you. Daddy, I will join you. Daddy, I'm not going anywhere. It's you up to me. Daddy, you must come to me. Daddy, please. Daddy, I'm not going anywhere. Daddy, you must come to me today. You must answer me today. Why do you have to leave us to suffer? Daddy, you're not Hello, Ayaka. I have a question for you, dear. Hello, Ayaka. I want to get an answer. Imakwa onye buru nwanne ya no buru kwa fodogwu. This na wicked mind, this na wicked act. Ayaka biko nuo welo ya wayo. Ayaka wande nke muteka misi yo. Kofelo la lozola yini yo. Kofelo la lozola yini yo.
Papa! Is this you? Mama! Natachi! Mama! Natachi! Oh! Where's Natachi?
Ekene. What are you doing here?
Please, now, where's Sister Natachi? Oh, one day more. Natachi, please. Forgive me. I don't know what came over me. I don't know. I found myself at the uncle's house. I don't know what came over me. Where is Mama? Where is Mama?
Ekene, is this you?
This is me. Oh.
Natachi, what are you trying to do? He is still my brother. Our brother. Ogechi. Iwe nwanne a na-eru n'ọkpụkpụ. Give me.
I'm sorry. Thank you. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do about me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I forgive you. Forgive you, my Lord. I forgive you.
Who is Mama?
Let's go inside.
Who is Mama? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Who is Mama? Where is Mama now? Tell me.
When you get back, you know all that soup and stew, fine, mede you cook for me. You cook it for my son. Oh,
Papa.
It's okay.
Hey?
It's okay, Papa.
Easy.
I've heard
it.
Yes. Brenda.
Mama.
She was the one that cooked that food you ate.
Yes. No, she knows how.
Yes.
She knows how.
It's okay.
No.
What is it?
My father is dying.
What is happening to him?
I don't know. He's dying.
You go to your father.
Why should I go? I can't marry him. What do you mean by that? Chalo, take care, yeah? Okay.
Papa.
Why you go?
Alright.
Let me see what is going on. Can't you people
Please, Mama, please, no.
We're going to that it's getting late. The journey is far.
Alright.
Take care. Take care of family.
I will, Mama.
Jim,
Alright, I will. I will check on you.
Mama, bye-bye.
Alright. Mama?
Child. It's well. Johnny Messi.
Alright, take care.
Jehovah bless you.
Alright.
Bye, no. Hey, love in Turkey. Child.
Papa, do you want to go to the toilet? Papa! Papa, you didn't tell me that you know how to swim.
I will confess. I will confess, oh.
Okpara, confess.
I will confess, oh. Huh?
Don't confess. Don't confess. Don't confess. You're a strong man.
I will not confess. I will not confess. I will not confess.
Ayaka Chibuzor. What is it? Ogini. What is it?
I will not confess. I will not confess.
Papa is swimming.
I will confess.
No!
I will confess.
Don't confess. Don't confess. Papa, what is it?
I will confess. I will confess. I will confess.
No,
I will confess.
Papa.
I will confess.
Papa.
I will confess. Oh.
No.
I will confess. Okay.
Don't confess.
I will confess.
Ayaka.
Don't kill me.
Eh, what is it?
Don't confess.
Confess what?
Don't kill me, I will confess. Don't kill me. Confess.
Confess. Confess what?
Don't kill me, I will confess. Don't kill me.
Don't confess.
Leave him now.
He doesn't know what he's saying.
I will confess. I killed my brother, Oba.
What are you talking about? But you don't have the cash and what it takes to get married. So your younger brother should get married before you. Because he has what it takes to get married. He has the cash. You should understand.
But Papa, why is it the same woman that I want to marry Oba is also interested in? Nkechi is the woman I love and wants to marry.
Doesn't matter. Since you don't have the money, he has the money. He should marry. And not you.
Papa, even at that, Oba is my younger brother. You should allow me to get married first as the eldest son of this family.
You have never introduced any woman to me, but your brother here did.
Well spoken, Papa. You have said it all.
Yes, and one more thing. I want both of you to live in peace. Yes. Make sure you do not share my properties until after 1.5 years after my death, as the customs and traditions of our land demands. Do you understand?
Yes, Papa.
You don't want to die, eh?
Oza, you want me dead so you can inherit all my hard-earned wealth.
From the day you decided to take what belongs to me, I hated you. I despised you all my life.
Oza, I see you are behind all this. But the wicked will never go unpunished. You must pay for all the evil you've committed. You must pay.
I will pay. But first, you will die.
Why now? Why did you kill my father? What did my father do to you? Why?
Okay, don't confess again.
And I made Ekene hate his mother. I hated Nkechi because she refused my hand in marriage.
Hey!
Instead went and married my junior brother, Oba. I made my son, Nnabike, to rape Natachi. Then I killed Dan because he wanted to reveal the secrets.
Ayaka.
My God. My own blood brother slept with me.
Yes. I made Okudiri miss. I ruined his business. Because he called my son a thief.
Don't confess again. Our secret is
I did not do it alone, no.
Sorry, don't confess again. Leave him to talk.
Don't say anything. Huh? What do you want to confess now? What do you want to say now?
Now, who did you do it?
It was, I did it with my friend Osondo. He led me astray.
He has just escaped.
He led me to the shrine.
Yes. They say birds of same feather flock together.
My own blood brother slept with me.
Hey!
Papa don't confess.
Papa don't confess. Papa refuse. Papa don't say anything. Papa don't confess. Papa don't say anything. Papa don't say anything. Papa say something. Papa the sharp. Nnamdi sharp. Papa don't confess. Papa Dikeh. Nnamdi sharp. Not touch. And you go for one mouth. Viens.
Yana onyarulana.
Hey, Ayaka. You see, the evil that men do, they say, lives after them. But Ayaka's own follows him. And it will continue to follow him. Even at death, it will continue to follow you. And that's your friend, Osondo. He thinks he has escaped. No. When Nemesis catches up with you, you will pay. You will pay. I told Papa not to confess. I said, Papa, don't confess. Papa confessed. Natachi, she was screaming. I get one mouth. She was screaming. No. I said, Avia. Papa is no more. Papa.
but I'm here. Oh yeah.
Very dangerous, very wicked, hey, wicked person,
Don't tell me that. You are in this village right now. Hey, I can't wait to see you. No, look at what you will do. Ask anybody around you to lead you to Ichiokeke's house. And no, Nnamdi, I've missed you a lot. Oh, no problem, I'm waiting.
Mommy!
Ogechi! Hey, my daughters! Hey, you're welcome. Hey, wait.
Mommy. Nemo, Biko, Walumo. Mommy. Nemo, Biko, Walumo. Okwamo, Ekene Wagio. Mommy, Biko, Walumo. I don't know what came over me. Mommy, please forgive me. Mommy, forgive me. Mommy,
Okay.
What is going on here?
Kene is back. My son is back.
Hey, Kene.
Ma's okay. Calm down. It's all right. It's okay.
Hey, Kene, I ask you a question. If you really knew what we are doing, are you out of your mind? I ask all these questions.
It's okay.
Ma's okay.
It's all right.
It's all right.
It's all right.
We have come to take our wife. These people have placed the whole family.
Uncle, I didn't know what came over me. I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
We have come.
Oh, please.
I knew it wasn't on you.
I knew it was not ordinary. God, I really thank you for today. I really thank you for this moment. Oh God, you vindicated me. My son is back. Oh God.
Onye tara bono bio otasa ukmose manya. Onye tara bono bimo otasa ukmose manya. Chewere fife jinari mo gini kai mere. Chewere fife jinara niyo gini kai mere. Iya jobi neme iye kwensu na pata. Iya jobi neme iye kwensu na pata. Ezinụlọ bi n'udo anyị ekewago. Ezinụlọ bi n'udo anyị asasigo. Soro sampe